How to show that you are interested in women on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to show that you are interested in women on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings, and then go down again. Here you will find profile information, and then go down. Here you will find birthday. Click this pen here, and now here you will find that woman. Just click on it, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.